Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'll be making mozzarella using only 2 ingredients, milk and white vinegar. This freshly homemade mozzarella is full of milky flavor and is creamier and softer than any mass-processed mozzarella that you will find at the supermarket. First, let's talk about what kind of milk you should choose. You can use raw milk or low-temperature pasteurized milk or pasteurized milk. They all work, but my favorite is the low-temperature pasteurized milk due to safety and, of course, taste. A good tasty mozzarella has to be made from high-quality milk. I highly recommend using grass-fed whole milk, and trust me, it does make a difference in the milky flavor. You can substitute low-fat milk too, but the mozzarella will be less creamy. In this recipe, I will use whole milk. 2 important components you need to control when making mozzarella is the temperature and pH level. Turn on your stove and set the heat to medium. Pour the milk into a pot and wait for the milk temperature to reach 120 to 125 Fahrenheit. Then turn off the heat and add white vinegar. Heating the milk and adding white vinegar help to reduce the pH level, so the milk can form curds. Of course, it's best if you use a thermometer, but if you don't worry, you can use your finger to guess the temperature. Just make sure your hands are clean. While I don't really recommend this, here's something that I do when I couldn't find my thermometer. Remember that 97 Fahrenheit is your body temperature, and 105 is like taking a warm bath. When the milk temperature reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit, it will be hot enough that you can no longer leave your finger in it for more than 5 seconds. After the milk reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit, turn off the heat and add the white vinegar. Then stir the pot gently for 20 seconds to incorporate milk and vinegar. Cover it and leave it for 5 minutes to form curds. After 5 minutes, you can clearly see the clumps of curds forming. Gather the curds gently and separate them from the whey. Whey is the liquid remaining after milk has been curdled and strained. Form the curds into a ball and squeeze out the liquid. At this time, the cheese is crumbly and not stretchy. Our next step is to heat up the whey to 165 to 180 Fahrenheit. Any temperature in this range will work. The boiling temperature of the whey is 195 Fahrenheit. So when the whey is very hot and you see the surface starts moving like this, like it's ready to boil but not there yet. Turn off the heat, do not let it boil. Put on food-safe gloves because the whey is very hot. Put the cheese back into the whey and let sit for 15 seconds. Afterwards, squeeze out the liquid, knead and stretch the curds At first, the cheese is not stretchy or stringy. Repeat the heating and kneading process 3 to 4 times. It will get much better. Heating and kneading the curds help to elongate the protein chain, which makes mozzarella stretchy and stringy. You can also add salt in the last round to add some flavor to the cheese. You are now ready to shape the mozzarella. Take the cheese and push a segment through your thumb and other fingers in a C shape. And pinch the bottom off. A mozzarella ball is done. Repeat this and shape the rest of mozzarella. Leave them in cold water for 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it. Your freshly homemade mozzarella is done. It's so easy, and these 2 ingredients are very accessible. It won't be as smooth as a cheese made with rennet, but it still tastes great. My favorite way of eating mozzarella is to make a caprese salad. Slice the mozzarella and a tomato. Spread on basils. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle some balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you like my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!